Another stunning African designs are here for you. Welcome to UBN Official Fashion Tube. Braids are a simple and enjoyable method to avoid hairstyle for months. Give your hair a break and preserve it from harsh environmental influences. Furthermore, the amazing hairstyles showcased in this video will draw attention, appreciative glances, and genuine smiles. Braided hairstyles allow for more experimentation. There are several braiding techniques available to make each head unique. You may also play with highlights, natural or curly texture, clips, patterns, forms, and so forth. Natural perms and hair thickness are a huge positive and a one-of-a-kind benefit that you just cannot overlook. Your hair, which you may have complained about previously, is designed for braiding. So why not take use of this concept? We all know how important it is to stand out in an eye-catching way. African braid hairstyles allow us to show it off. Our African braid hairstyles are popular among women. They're simple to learn and available in a variety of styles and colors that ladies may choose from. Every woman can now complete her look with style thanks to African braid hairstyles. African braids are really fashionable right now, and they come in a number of designs and hues. Braid hairstyles for ladies with long hair are highly fashionable and sophisticated. If you like any of these hairstyles designs, then don't forget to subscribe. And also like, share, and comment. See you again in our next video.